I don't know what this one does. Oh! Relaxation! Ew. Ooh, spicy content. Thank you.
Wow, that was cool, brother.
Yeah, I wonder what this one's gonna do.
Yeah.
What was your channel name called again? I'm sponsoring it right now. I'm gonna sponsor it.
Grayson Rowe.
Yeah, you heard that right. His username is Grayson Rowe. So if you ever want to go watch some content by my little brother, then you can go to his YouTube channel. And if you find these exact videos on his channel, it's because he couldn't record him because his separate device died. So that is why he's going to be recording a compilation of my videos. Now, that's not what he does. I don't know what he does. He probably does gaming videos.
Yeah, I do gaming videos.
Yeah, he's a really nice kid. He's really good. Yeah.
What?
You didn't get any. Yeah. You're good.